Welcome to the 2025 preview for the General Income Tax Workshop. I'm Lisa Patterson, Program Manager for the Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Tax Workshops. Joining me today are Catherine Osment and Scott Youngblood, presenters for this workshop. Some important information that you need to know is that we are offering this workshop both in person and through live webinars. Join us in person in Dallas and Houston, or in November and December for our live interactive webinars. We offer continuing education for this workshop. If you are an EA, 16 hours, CPA, 16 hours, OTRP, 13 hours of federal tax law, and 3 hours of tax law updates, attorney, 13.5 hours, and CFP, 16 hours. I'm going to turn it over now to my presenters. They will first introduce themselves, and then they'll walk us through the agenda. Catherine, take it away.
Hi, my name is Catherine Osment. I am a CPA in Victoria, Texas. I have two locations, one in Victoria and one in Edna. I received my education from University of Houston, Victoria, which is now part of the A&M umbrella. And in our practice, we do a lot of different industries, but we also have a niche in the ag space. Take it away, Scott.
Hi, my name's Scott Youngblood. I'm a CPA and an attorney in Pearland, Texas, which is just south of Houston. I've been a CPA for over 35 years, and I've been an attorney for about 25 years. In addition to teaching these seminars, I also am a professor at the University of Houston Clear Lake campus, where I teach taxes. In my practice as a CPA, we do just about every kind of tax return. In addition to that, I also do IRS tax litigation. And as an attorney, I set up companies for clients, advise the best way to set up the company, the business structure for the client. And I also do some estate planning, and sometimes where I do wills and trusts, and sometimes, unfortunately, I have to probate those wills. I will be teaching, along with Catherine, the General Income Tax Seminar, and it'll be a 2-day seminar where I will start off with new and expiring legislation. In other words, it'll be the Big Beautiful Bill update. And then after that, I will go over religious organizations. And Catherine will, after lunch, take over.
After lunch, we will discuss business entity tax issues. We're going to talk about tax considerations between partners and partnerships, and also discuss Forms 7217 and 8308. Then we'll move on to installment sales, where we'll talk about several different topics, including related party topics and when is the best time to maybe not use an installment sale. And we'll wrap up the day with agriculture and natural resource tax issues. We're going to talk about several depreciation topics and also 4-H and FFA projects, which has been a real sticking point for me in the past couple of years. And we'll wrap it up with some estate issues that can happen in the agriculture space. And that'll wrap up our day one. Day two, we will start the day with business tax issues. We're going to talk about selling businesses. We're also going to talk about what happens when you need to correct depreciation, which this has been another thing that's seemed to plague me, taking on some new clients from other CPAs who did some things incorrectly. We're also going to touch on the clean energy credits from a business perspective. And then we'll move on to individual tax issues, where we're going to have some primers on filing status and itemized deductions. And we'll also go over kitty tax rules and earned income tax credits and some other issues like that. Then we'll break for lunch, and Scott will pick it up after that on day two.
So I'll conclude the day going over various IRS issues, and then after that, I will go into tax benefits for homeowners, interest and real estate taxes, and also tie to that how the Big Beautiful Bill change some of these deductions that you're allowed. Then after that, we'll do trust and estates issues. And then we will conclude the day going over various retirement tax issues that would affect your clients. And back to you, Lisa.
So we hoped that you will join us for this workshop and any of our other workshops. And if you have questions, please contact me. You see the contact information on your screen. You can either scan the QR code and it'll put my contact right into your phone, or you're welcome to email me at lisa.patterson@ag.tamu.edu or call me 979-393-0888. And you see that our website is listed below, where you can find out more information about this workshop and all the other workshops that we offer. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you for joining us today.